So I've been called to share this in my spirit for all you crypto traders out there, because I had a dream last night. I was really worried about Ethereum because I had been getting signs of a crash. 911. I saw Ethereum crash. It was communicated in my spirit, but I saw it going up and up and up, and I was actually in a short trade. And I was like, man, like what's going on? And then I saw it, like I had a dream in my spirit yesterday of the of God showing me the vision of the charts, and it was communicated to me that nothing is random. So I was handed a looking glass. Somebody had one of these, and they were like, "You can buy one of these, or something. You can have one of these, right?" But the looking glass, I believe, is in the spirit. It's what you see. It's what you know. It's what you feel. And so I was looking at it, and I saw Ethereum. It was peaking at 4,700. I saw it peak there, and then I saw it do a little dip. So I saw it go down, uh, just a little bit, like about. And I mean, this morning I woke up and it was down at 4,700, and then it went back up, which is what I saw in my dream. But then from there, from that point, it just started going down and down and down. It wasn't like a steep decline, but it was like a slope, it just started going down and down. And it's the markets are falling, and I don't know how long they're going to fall, but it's communicated to me that there are better entry levels. There is this predictive pattern of, we always know what the markets are going to do even if we don't know it, and that's in our accordance to our own wealth and how much wealth we are wanting to steward, because it's like there really is no there is no right or wrong in how much money you have. It's just an experience. Having more money, having less money, being poor, being rich. It's all one experience. It's all what you want to experience. There's a lot of things that are to be learned from having no money, because it makes you resourceful. It makes you think. It makes you a better communicator. You know what I mean? So it's like that's all part of the journey, and it's whatever you're being told, whatever you're guided to and led to. So if this is, let this be a message for you. If you wish to sell some and buy at a lower entry, like that is up to you. I didn't see any price points on the lower entry, but it could drop 30%, 50%. The whole markets could go even like lower. You know what I mean? Um, but as I've learned this investing journey, it's all about you, and it's all about the higher source. The oneness with God, and what you are called to be invested in, and the levels you are called to be entered at. It's like you can listen to other people as well. That might be part of the journey and part of spirit, but you have to listen to your own spirit first, and you have to understand the wealth that you are creating for yourself and for the people around you. And so this is the major like lesson that you're going to be learning as you invest. So, cryptocurrencies are going to have a major bounce at the end of the year, I believe. I'm not exactly sure when, but, you know, pray about it, ask about it, meditate on it, visualize it, or just wait. Patiently waiting is something that I've come to know. It's like a lot of things that, a lot of times I have doubts because I put in a trade and it goes down like 5%, 10% before it skyrockets up, and I'm like, I'm like I might have already pulled out by then. I'm like, oh well, maybe I'm wrong, or like maybe I got liquidated or whatever, because I'm out here trading, not necessarily like buying. Um, a bit of both. It's whatever I'm called to, but it's like really like learn to be patient, right? It's like, and learn discernment. Just because somebody else says like, oh, it's taken off, it's like, well, no, you got to know the truth, because it's like there's a lot of deception out here that was communicated to me in my dream. It's like everyone was deceived. Everyone was like, oh my god, it's going nuclear, and it's like, no, it's actually the opposite. It's actually the markets are crashing, so so we can get a better entry level, or the banks, the big institutions. It's all game really. So hopefully this message really helped you along your journey, and I hope you take these words of wisdom back to yourself and back to God, and you meditate on these. You ask for guidance and clarity, and you understand your journey a little bit better, because again, it's not about how much wealth you can get. It's all about the journey, really. It's all about the game. It's all about what are you going to do, how are you going to react, how are you going to be, are you going to be in integrity with yourself and with God. That's the game. Thank you for listening. Peace.